In this video, I'm going to show you how to use lip sync in Higgsfield AI. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their website, and then you want to sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. And after this, you want to hover over where it says video top left, and then over here on the left, about in the middle, it says lip sync studio. So just click on that, and I have an example here already, which I'm going to show you. But first, let's look at how this actually works. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to make sure you're inside the lip sync studio, and you want to go ahead and upload an image. Okay, so basically the image is going to be your character. So I can click on upload image over here, and then I can just find one. So I have a few images here inside my downloads folder. I can click, for example, on this one, which was also used in this example I'm going to show you over here, and this is going to get uploaded over here. And then you have two options. You can either audio text, so this means you can basically type in the text you want to use. So for example, I have written in, hey there, please subscribe for more tutorials, or you could do generate audio, and then you can click on here, and you can basically just generate audio using any of these pre-selected, pre-created voices over here, or you could also just upload your own voice and use that. So that's totally possible. Now below that, you also have the prompt. So for example, I just typed in, the man speaks professionally. You could go ahead and type in whatever prompt you want, and this will basically kind of do the scene, okay? Over here, you also can select your model. So I just use this default one, the WAN, the WAN, whatever that's called. And then over here, you have a bunch of different ones as well. You can use the one that you want. It's completely up to you. And then you can select your duration down here. It can be either 5 or 10 seconds. And then the resolution, either 720p or 1080p. Now up top, you may have seen it says change over here. And if I click on change here, this will basically allow you to create a specific video with a specific template. So for example, if I go general over here, it's going to apply the general template over here, but I could do any of these available here on different models. So for example, if I want through object in, if I want dolly out, handled, dolly in, whatever, there's a bunch of different options you can use to actually create interactive videos over here inside Higgsfield AI. So if I go back over here inside my lip sync studio, there we go. Let me now show you the result that actually happened. So if I play this.
Hey there, please subscribe for more tutorials.
There we go. As you can see, it's quite good. And over here, that was the prompt. And yeah, I've successfully done a lip sync on this specific man on this image over here. So that's how to use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.